Hi, we are going to learn how to make fashion jewelry. Such type of fashion jewelries are in trend now. This is a long chain. It is not a normal chain with a dollar. It has a pattern. A different type of pattern this side, and a normal bead chain this side. And this is a bracelet. It's a matching bracelet to this long chain. Let's see the things which are needed to make this fashion jewelry. First of all, we need a thread. This string is used to make a fashion jewelry for the chain. Such strings are available readily in arts and craft shops, and depending upon the size of the length of a chain, we have to choose the length of this string. And this is called an elastic. This elastic is used for making bracelet, which gives an elasticity during making a bracelet. Then we need a gum. We are going to learn how to make this bracelet. The things needed for making a bracelet is an elastic wire, some big flower bead, some small flower bead, white flower bead, and some pearl bead. Now we have to take the string, and first we are introducing 3 white pearl beads. Then we have to take a big flower bead. It has holes on both the opposite side. We are going to put the string into one of the holes on one side. And we are taking that and we are going to put a small flower bead. This is also having 2 holes at the bottom. We are going to put the string into both the holes. Now this small flower bead has to sit into the bigger flower bead. Now we have introduced the small flower bead into the big, and we are taking the string on the next side. So see how the small flower bead is fully set into a big flower bead. The same thing will be repeated for the next one. Let's see how it's been done. 3 more pearl beads are introduced. A big flower bead. The string will be put in one side. In the same way, a small flower bead will be put into the center of the big flower bead, and the string will be taken on another side outside. And once again we will be repeating the same. We will be doing this 4 times to make a bracelet. We have finished putting all the 4 beads. Now let's see how to put the tight knot into it. We have to put a double tight knot with the help of the elastic wire. The knot should be very tight. Since it's a bracelet, it will be expanding constantly. After putting 2 tight knots, we have to cut the extra threads. And we have to fix this tight knot with the help of a gum. Now we are going to keep a drop of gum at the corner of a tight knot. This gum will help in holding the knot tightly always for a very long time. After a few seconds only we have to touch this gum because it will be slightly hot. After applying gum, we are putting another knot on it. Now we have to cut the rough edges on both the sides. Now the bracelet is over. To make a long chain, we have to add the bead in the same way as we added in the bracelet, we have to use a string for this, not an elastic. We have to use a string and we have to join the beads in this pattern, and we have to make a tight knot the same way as we did in the bracelet. So we have to make a tight knot and we have to seal it. So such a way we can make a long chain as well as a bracelet. Thanks for watching.